All right, this just sounds. Let's go over the categories. Right here, these are the presets, but you want to hear the sounds. So let's go to gospel. These are just bonus chops that we got for you guys. It's a 4/4 measure, so you can do whatever you need to do. Let's see here. Churchy. That classic. Yeah. So even though we got the chops, we still got stuff that's playable in real time. Like everything is not chops, because that's not what you really do on Sunday, right? That's like an up-tempo praise type joint. Let's see what else we got. Cut time, energy worship. Yeah, you can hear that, right? Yep. You can hear it. Everything goes together. Yeah. You can definitely hear that. Energy worship. More energy worship. CCM-ish. It's classic. It gets you through a service, man. You've heard the 4 on the floors. You already know, how we roll with this. So you heard those in the demos we love. Then we got the funk, funky shuffle, gumbo. That's like New Orleans type of stuff. So that's New Orleans type of stuff. Halftime backbeat. Yeah, that's the worship stuff. You already know. You definitely can use that. Let's see. Another halftime break beat. Now, mind you, you can use the other MIDIs. You can export the MIDIs and put them all into one. So let's do a fill. Yeah. All right. That's some good worship stuff. High praise. I put a heart by this, so this must be one of my favorites. Oh, you hear that floor tom. Oh. Yeah, that's a good one. That's that high praise, low funk. So we got every category March in. You already know the gospel choir is marching in. Mass choir, ballad, every category. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you already know. Yeah. 9/8 time. Ah. So we got some interesting offering grooves. Classic offering groove. Yeah, different variations, they all go together. Here's another offering. Pocket player, this is, you know, he's killing it on the pocket player. We love the pocket player. And power drive. Yeah, you hear this, CCM-ish, contemporary gospel teetering on a CCM-ish. Boom. Quartet. Look at all this quartet. You already know, oh, this is the slow 52 BPM. Where's the drive? Yeah, quartet don't drive as fast as Pentecostals. The quartet drive is just real smooth. Yeah, it don't drive as fast. So they sitting around 88 BPM on the drive. And then here's them slow ballads. All right, let's get to the shouts. We got shout, cymbal breaks, shout, build. This is a build. Oh, that's a nice build. And then once we do a build, we do the shout, cymbal breaks. And then we get to just full-blown drive. The shout drive. 157 BPM, that's about it. Yeah, that's straight drive. Now what you can do is take all of those, export them, drag them in, and create your own list, control them with your MIDI. All right, so Warfare, Shuffle, this is my stuff right here. Yeah, that's some good stuff. A lot of Warfare, Worship 6/8, Yacht Gospel. We got some R&B stuff here. The R&B and the neo soul kind of, you know, classic ballads. Yeah, R&B rhythms. That's like Yeah, some new jack type joint. See 80 BPM right there. That's R&B. That's classic R&B. Yeah, that's good stuff, man. Shout out to Danye, man. Neo Soul, Open Up, Straight, Clackity. You know the Neo Soul stuff. Yep, and feel. It's like a shuffle, but a classic. Because they bleed over. Neo Soul, gospel. It's a gospel shuffle, but Neo Soul uses that. Rim shot. We already know what the rim shot straight up. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Where we at? Where else we at? And the world stuff is actually there. Jerk chicken, we got you. We got Caribbean international brothers and sisters out there, and we got you. Yeah, we got you. A little bit of mambo. Straight reggae. Double time since that's 150. Oh, I'm sorry, halftime. And steppers, that's funny. Ah, yeah. Yep. Yeah. All right. Afro beats. That's right. All right, you can see the variation. You can see from everything that we got. We're doing real good here, guys. So anyway, gospel musicians, this I wanted to give you a straight sound demo. We got the full category of urban, gospel, hip hop, world, the whole joint. So hope you enjoy it.